Buying a gun after a felony conviction has long been almost impossible under federal law, even if you finished your sentence years ago. Now, that could be changing. The federal government is reviving a long dormant gun rights restoration process, building a new system for people with criminal records to ask for their rights back. Under the Gun Control Act, many people with felony convictions or certain domestic violence misdemeanors are barred from owning firearms. For decades, there was technically a way to restore those rights, but Congress cut funding in the 1990s, so almost nobody could actually use it. After recent Supreme Court Second Amendment rulings and a 2025 Trump executive order, the Justice Department has proposed a formal restoration program. Here's the big idea. Eligible people apply online. The government reviews each case individually. There are waiting periods, background checks, and built in disqualifiers. And the DOJ expects up to 1 million applications a year once the system is fully running. And it has already started granting relief in some individual cases. Supporters call this a real second chance for people with old nonviolent convictions, but critics say restoring gun rights too broadly could create new public health risks. If you're thinking about applying, don't go it alone. Talk to a lawyer and make sure you understand exactly how these rules could apply to you.